Probably shouldn't be doing this. Alright, what's up? So this is a video I didn't want to make, like always, but here we are again. Truck is down, literally turned off while I was literally driving, and now I pulled over and got crank no start. Got the truck loaded down. So I'm thinking it's a fuel pump issue. It sounds like it's only turning halfway on. Yeah. That's
pretty much all I have left to get the damn back tires on the deck.
Yeah, I don't make it. Nomás cuando la... Well, there she is.
Let me see. What's your number?
So here we are. Took this wheel just so we had a little bit more room to take the fuel tank out. The only thing that sucks is it's completely full right now. What an adventure though, honestly. It's always something. I just took off this hose clamp right here. And now I'm gonna take this one off. And I'm gonna try to pull this whole assembly out by taking off this screw, and this clip. That way I can put the hose into the tank. So now, as you can see, we got gas coming out. We're still in this, but yeah. Alright, so now there's 4 bolts. So there's 4 bolts right here, right where this brake line's at. 4. The bracket to here. There's also a strap right here, the bolt. Same thing on the other side. There's another strap with the bolt. Alright, so check it out. We just gotta take off a few clamps. I already disconnected that sensor. This strap off, and I already took off this one here. It's a pretty long bolt. Up here there's 2 fittings you gotta take off. After that hose clamp I just took off, there's 2 more fittings, and then everything else, when you have everything disconnected, the tank should come right out. Alright, so we got the tank out. Now we're just gonna slide it out. Alright, so now I'm just gonna blow this. So it looks like there's gasket material or some type of like clay or whatever. I'm just gonna scrape this stuff off, blow it out, and then hopefully we can get this seal off without damaging it. You can see. So right here, there's like 3 tabs. One here, and a dumbass spot right there under there. So anyways, all I did was I went under here, little flathead, just bended it up, and then as you can see, there's like this little ring. It spins up to the tab and then comes out. is our new fuel pump. It's a cheap one from AutoZone, but it got lifetime warranty. Yeah, check it out. This one's pretty worn down. Then we just put these tabs back down and reinstall. So this is what we're dealing with. We got all my gas right here. It's like $100. So I'm not gonna record too much, but pretty much we're just gonna put the tank back up, rehook all the lines, put everything back, and then we'll just do the fuel filter. So we got everything buttoned up. All the sensors and lines are back connected, tanks in. I'm gonna just put a little bit of fuel in there, connect the battery. So oh shit. Just pretend that didn't happen.
Yeah, just edit that out.
The cap on, just so it has pressure. I don't know, that didn't sound good. My heart, bro, that shit almost dropped. Now we just gotta change that fuel filter.
Yeah.
Once we put all that other gas in it. Probably shouldn't be doing this. So this is the fuel filter we ended up going with. Genuine parts. So this is pretty simple. I'm on the driver's side, right by the driver door. All it takes is, in here, these two bolts come out. Just undo these lines up here, these fuel lines. This comes off, fittings, and then put your new one on. So I lied, this bracket here is, you have to slide it. That. There it is. Got the new one on. Bracket back on. Leaked a little bit of fuel, but not too much. Yeah. That one's hella quiet. Yeah. That fuel pump. The only thing I'm concerned about is that hasn't moved. All right, let's check it out. We're moving and we're grooving. Hell yeah. So this shit's complete. All right. So once again, another video I did not want to make, but came out pretty successful. But there you have it. It's honestly pretty simple to change out the fuel pump. Nothing crazy. I think if you have the right tools, easily one guy could do it just in a couple of hours. One thing that I did notice though is, check this out. My RPM, I don't know if it's the needle sensor, I don't know what it is, but I'm not getting the correct RPMs. See, there's no way I'm going about 70 right now and I'm going at less than 1,000 RPMs. Something's not right. So, but that's just one more thing to add to the list. Again, I appreciate you guys for watching.